Welcome to Budget Policy. In this video, we go through the steps to enable white label branding from the Budget Policy Agent portal. Let's begin the understanding white label branding. White label branding helps you go digital and promoting the OHC and OVHC health insurance provider. Options through sharing white label URL across different social media platforms to reach your target audience. Now let's see how white label URL can be created. You can set the white label from the dashboard by adding your white label name and submit request, or same from settings page. On the settings page, go to the white label tab. You will see a default white label URL created for you. If you want to customize and create your own white label URL, you can mention it here and click on request. You will have your white label branding URL ready to use. In the SEO settings form, you can update your SEO settings. Using these options, you can edit and update your white label website's SEO settings, respectively, to rank your SEO before you share your URL on different social media platforms or with your customers directly. You can click on the white label branding URL to preview the website in a new tab. You can change the website name, logo, contact details, etc. by clicking the General Settings tab on your agent portal's settings page. You can change the website appearance by changing primary and secondary colors by clicking the Appearance tab on your portal's settings page. You can go back to the white label website and refresh it to see the changes made to the page. Now your white label website is ready to share with your customers so that they can purchase OHC and OVHC policies from your website. How to purchase OHC policy using white label. You can share your white label URL on social media as well as directly with your customer so that they can purchase the policy from your white label URL. Select cover type, cover start date and cover end date in the OHC form and click on the Get Quote button to check policy pricing. As per your selection, it will redirect you to the policy comparison page. You can also edit your comparison by clicking the Edit Compare button on the comparison page. You will see all providers' policy prices on the comparison page, and you can compare price and features to select the best policy plan. Click on the Buy Now button to purchase the policy. It will redirect you to the policy summary page. On the policy summary page, you have to fill in all the required details and then click on the Pay with Card, and it will redirect you to the payment page. On the payment page, fill in your card details and pay. After successful payment, it will redirect you to the payment receipt page. How to purchase OVHC policy using white label. Go to the white label website link and select the OVHC button. Select cover type, policy start date and visa type in the OVHC form and click on the Get Quotes button to check policy pricing. As per your selection, it will redirect you to the OVHC comparison page. You can also edit your comparison by clicking the Edit Compare button on the OVHC comparison page. You will see all providers' policy prices on the OVHC comparison page, and you can compare price and features to select the best policy plan. Click on the Buy Now button and fill in your details in the OVHC form to purchase the policy. It will redirect you to the provider's website. In the OHC section of the menu sidebar, review inquiries and purchase policies. Access client details, policy specifics, and payment statuses. For OHC inquiries, use the Buy Now, Email Quote, Download Quote, and View Quote buttons. Use Buy Now to purchase a policy from a white label website. Email Quote to send quote details with a Buy Now link to the client email address, and View Quote to access quote details and download quote details in PDF format by Download button. In the Purchase Policy section, find comprehensive information about client details, policy specifics, and payment details. Within the Payment Details column, view the payment amount, status, and policy purchase date. For OVHC inquiries, review client and policy details, and access quote details. Additionally, view quote details and download the quota as a PDF for further reference. This video was about successfully creating a white label URL for your company and promoting your brand while fulfilling your business need. Thank you.